Welcome sa sip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on calculus, no? And sa previous video, pinag-aralan natin yung graphical interpretation ng infinite limits, no? Sabi natin, there are several cases para magkaroon tayo ng infinite limits. Here, we have the limit of f of x as x approaches a, no? Is equal to negative infinity. Tapos ito naman, positive infinity. Tapos itong dalawa, we have the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left is equal to positive infinity. So habang pupunta siya dun sa x, this is our x equals a, pataas naman siya, so positive infinity. And here, the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left, no? Galing siya sa left, the function approaches negative infinity. Bababa siya, no? So ganun din dito, no? Pataas dito, from the right naman siya. And dito, pababa from the left. O from the right, pero negative infinity yung kanyang ina-approach. Okay, so kung gusto nyong detalye ng explanation dito, you can watch the previous video. But here, ang pagtutuunan natin ng pansin, o ang highlight ng ating video is about vertical asymptotes. No? So yung mga linya na yan na ina-approach ng mga function, no? Yan ang tawag natin dyan ay vertical asymptote. Here, yung function ina-approach siya yung line pero hindi siya dumidikit dun sa line. So, x approaches a but x is never equal, no? Never equal to a. No? You should remember that, no? This is x equals a. Lumalapit yung function doon sa, yung graph ng function doon sa line na yan. But, palapit lang siya ng palapit but it will never approach or it will never intersect that line. No? So, ang definition ng vertical asymptote, medyo intuitive lang yung ating definition, hindi masyadong formal, no? But you can I think the definition just says that x equals a is a vertical asymptote of a function if at least one of these cases, no, is true, no? So, tingnan natin yung definition. Okay? So the line x equal a is called a vertical asymptote if at least, no? Vertical asymptote if at least one of the following statements is true. No? So itong tatlo na yan o itong anim na yan, yun yung nandito, no? Yun nandito sa kabilang window, no? So yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng vertical asymptote. So here, doon sa previous example natin, as we can see, ano ba yung vertical asymptote nitong f of x equals x2 over x minus 3. No? Ang vertical asymptote niya ay x equals 3. No? At makikita ninyo that the function just approaches. Pero hindi yan dumidikit. No? Ayan, very close siya pero hindi dumidikit. Pag zoom mo yan, no? If you zoom actually, hindi siya nakadikit. No? And even if you move, and so on, hindi yan didikit, no? It approaches but it approaches the line x equals 3, no? But it does not intersect the line, no? So yun ang dapat importante na malaman nyo. So, x equals 3, no? Pwede natin i-type x equals 3 is actually a vertical asymptote of the function, no? So, we can remove the graph. So, madalas sa mga books, makikita nyo yung vertical function, dashed line. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya part ng graph. So, here, yung ating, this is supposed to be f, no? Because this is f of x. Or maybe we should just change this one. Para hindi tayo magka-problema. So, g of x. What about this one? Part na to. This is 1 over x squared, no? So, this is f of x. Let me check. Saan yung ating text? Okay. f of x equals 1 over x squared This one, yung kulay green. And yung kanyang vertical asymptote ay itong line mismo na to, yung ating y-axis, or the vertical asymptote is x equals 0. No? So in general, again, we can get the vertical asymptote x equals a if one of these statements is true. At least, no? Kasi minsan dalawa. No? Or minsan tatlo, no? Depende. Minsan minsan sa isang function may dalawang asymptotes. Minsan. So hindi natin alam, no? But yung sinasabi dito is that if these statements dito particular siya pala. Sorry. Ang dito particular siya kasi x equals a, no? This is a particular asymptote. But minsan ang asymptote natin sa isang function o sa isang graph minsan more than one. But here, ang discuss na natin dito is at a particular line, x equals a. No? Okay, so I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. I'll see you in the next tutorial. By the way, gusto ko yung update i-invite sa zip9.com. Ina-update ko yan from time to time. No? And of course, kung naka-subscribe kayo sa YouTube, ay ma-receive nyo sa email ninyo yung mga bagong upload natin. Palagi tayo nag-upload, no? Almost every week. Palagi tayong may ina-upload, hindi tayo absent kumbaga. Okay? So 4 to 7 videos a week nakakapag-upload tayo. Kaya subscribe kayo, no? Kasi libre yan, no? Okay? So maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.